Automated dialogue replacement or additional dialogue recording is the process of re-recording the original dialogue after filming for the purpose of obtaining a cleaner, more intelligible dialogue track. The process is also called looping, as it typically involves a voice actor looping small sections of dialogue over and over until perfectly in sync. In the UK, the same process is called post-synchronization or post-sync. In conventional film production, a production sound mixer records dialogue during filming. Accompanying noise from the set, equipment, traffic, wind, and the overall ambience of the surrounding environment often results in unusable production sound. And during the post-production process, a supervising sound editor, or ADR supervisor, reviews all of the dialogue in the film and decides which lines will have to be re-recorded. ADR is also used to change the original lines recorded on set in order to clarify context or to improve the actor's dictation and timing.